We got another package. How's it going, bro? Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. All right, have a good one. All right, right in time. Said you can't fit stuff in a coupe. We gotta fix that fitment though. Alright, we are up out of there. As you can see, man, I've been staying busy. Today I'm just gonna take you in a day in the life type style vlog. Basically just what I'm doing today though, because each day is a little different. I usually work out 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So today is my off day. And yeah, man, as you can see, all the boxes, the explanation for that is I have been, bruh, what are you doing, bro? Yo, people are stupid. Anyways, I've been selling stuff on Amazon. It's something that I've been, you know, dipping my feet in a bit. 1 second. Oh. Straighten up, buddy, straighten up. Let's get up out of here. Don't want to drive too crazy. We got all the packages with us. Anyways, back to what I was saying once again. I've been dipping my feet a bit in the Amazon FBA business, you know, for the past few months. And I started with retail arbitrage. That's where you go to the stores and basically you hit up the clearance or wherever, you scan the items, see what you could get for a good price to sell on Amazon. That was cool. It just took up too much time and I wasn't really feeling it, so I moved over, pivoted to the online arbitrage where you do the same thing basically online using coupon codes and a whole bunch of other stuff. We could talk more about that if you guys want to talk more about it. But basically, yeah, that's what I've been doing. Or one of the things I've been doing so much. You guys will see as the days go on what more I do. That's just one of the other things that I've been doing. We got a Mercedes creeping up behind us, coming up kind of fast. But yeah, so I'm headed over to where I go scan all that stuff in and package it up. Yeah, mainly I do FBA, and you'll see once I get over there, there's a couple things that I ship off myself. Meltable items that you can't send into Amazon, you got to do yourself. So, you know, I do have a couple of those to do as well. We will be washing the Lexus today because I am going to be filming a full review video on the IS350 F Sport. That's pretty much what I'm going to go do right now. I'm going to drop these boxes off and pick up the Lexus, go wash it, and then probably package all this stuff up, scan it all in, or we'll see. I might do the review video tomorrow, but maybe not because tomorrow's kind of busy. I'll try to get the review video in today if I can, but we'll see because I do have a few things to do, so we'll just see, you know, how everything works out. But yeah, man, I'm hyped to start the whole vlogging and not have to do, wow, that was a little late. I'm long gone. Usually CarLock is a lot better than that. If you guys don't know about CarLock, check them out, link down below in the description. Usually CarLock is a whole lot better. Actually, it probably already went off, because I moved my car initially to put all the boxes in it, so that was probably the second time it went on. But anyways, yeah, that's basically what we're headed to do right now. It's hot as hell, so I'm gonna roll the windows down and get to my destination, and I will see you guys when we get there. There it is. That thing is nice. I see why y'all like it so much.
Ready?
Look, we got Zay on the all fruit diet today. How's it going, Zay? That's another thing you guys are gonna learn, how I eat. Zayna, how do you feel?
I feel good. I feel light. I feel hungry.
She don't like it. She's
I'm
a savory queen.
Person. Savory queen. If there's a level above queen, I'm that when it comes to savory.
I don't know if there is goddess.
Let me see. me.
I don't know about this. I don't know, it look like a big ass hazelnut.
Like some coffee?
Coffee. Mame sapote. This is hella good. It tastes like freaking like pumpkin pie kinda. Hopefully it's still good. It feels kinda soft. You guys see this is the gym. We will come here tomorrow. You'll see the whole. Tomorrow is my favorite day, shoulder day. That's what I'm trying to build up the most. So tomorrow is shoulders and arms. You working out tomorrow? So you all will see the routine for shoulder arms tomorrow, and we'll be back to do these boxes. Let's see what you got, little mama. You got some cantaloupe, some apple,
Some peach.
You should have. Oh, you got peach in there?
That's my ass.
She thinks she's funny.
That's funny. I should be a comedian.
Yeah, no, she is actually hilarious. So how you liking the fruit diet?
It's whatever. I do so many things for Louie. I don't even know who I am anymore.
For me, Zay, you're doing this for you.
It's good. I feel pretty light. And
so the whole thing with the fruit is you got to give your body's digestion a chance to just chill, you know?
mm-hmm.
Everybody eats a very heavy diet. Your body never gets a chance to relax. You're always breaking down hard to digest foods, and fruit, contrary to popular belief, a lot of people say, oh, the sugar.
Your body is made to break down fruit.
Yeah, it's like it has fiber attached to it. It doesn't hit your bloodstream the same. It's the easiest food on earth to digest. So your body doesn't have to work nearly as hard. The energy levels are gonna be through the roof. You just have to eat a lot.
Yeah, I was talking like crazy in the morning.
Yeah, I know.
What was I gonna say? I was gonna tell you something. So the best part of Louie's day is me.
Is it?
You'll be seeing a lot of me.
Yeah, you'll definitely be seeing a lot of her. You are the best part of my day, baby. Alright, we're here. We came to the car wash, the self-do car wash thing, you know, whatever you want to call it. But this thing is in desperate need of a car wash, as you can see. I don't have a towel on me, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it without using the towel. We're just gonna do something real quick. Make sure they ain't rip me off. I forgot one. The soap better work, because a couple times I've come here and the soap didn't work, so I'm gonna be mad if it don't. Alright, there it is. We all done. I ain't got a towel or nothing, so we're just gonna have to let it air dry. Usually I would have brought a towel to dry it, but I got it.
I worked so hard on
I forgot to bring a towel, but you know, we'll just let it air dry, I guess. Maybe we'll go up to this dude and be like, hey, you trying to wipe me down real quick, buddy?
Yeah, give him this. How about $5?
Ask him to see.
You want me to ask him?
Let's see if Zay could do
Yo
it.
necesita ayudar to dry my car.
Are you scared or what? Let's see if Zay can get it done. $5? Why not? Why wouldn't he?
You're gonna tell me now, baby. Are you able to drive the car for us? No. Oh, that's my thing. Hey!
What?
I have this.
Oh, okay.
Louie, you got that for me.
I did. Alright, let's cut this bad boy open. It's good. Oh yeah. Y'all don't know nothing about this, I already know. So when these things are good, they taste like like pie, like pumpkin pie or like sweet potato pie. Let's see. I'm gonna try it first just to make sure it's good. Fire. Alright, try it. You gotta get the reaction.
It looks like papaya.
It's delicious.
It looks like a tongue.
You don't like it? You don't like the texture, huh?
The texture is 0 out of 10.
The texture is the best part.
It's sweet and really good, yeah. But tastes like a sweet pumpkin.
You don't like it? You're good? You don't want none?
No, I'm good.
Wow, this is delicious. You guys gotta try it. I'm telling you. She's picky. It's like the texture of an avocado. How do you like avocado texture and not this?
It just doesn't make sense.
How?
I'd rather eat an avocado. Looks
Really?
like ice cream.
It's so good. Try it again. Try a big piece. Come on. Just think it's avocado. Think of it as avocado. Sweet avocado. Really? Zay.
No thanks.
Wow.
I'll never buy that in my life.
She's picky. I like it more for me. Look at this guy. Freaking big old guy right here. See, we got some Nikes here for back to school. Can't show y'all what I have for obvious reasons, but you know, basically I just input it on the computer, check it in, put everything I need to on it, and then we box it up and everything else. I could run y'all through how it works if you want in another video, but it's basically what I'm doing. So we got a few on this order. Now it's time to go drop off these packages before the post office closes, and then we will be headed to the farmer's market. So as far as like the way I eat goes, as y'all heard like a little earlier, I eat pretty differently from the norm, as you know, you could say. You see Zay's like trying out something that I do and she's not having it, and I'm sure like a lot of people would feel the same way, but really it's just like an alkaline way of eating, and I'm sure you all have heard about it before. It's similar to like kind of like how Dr. Sebi would talk about things, and even Sadhguru has talked about like, you know, being on a fruit only diet. And I don't eat only fruit. I have eaten only fruit for a good period of time at a certain point in my life, just to help with my digestion, and honestly that's the best I ever felt in my whole life. And anytime I go too far away from that, I start running into digestive issues, so I always come back to that. So like right now what I'm doing is I have a day where I'll eat a lot of fruit, but I do have a cooked meal, you know, to get more protein in, because I am trying to build right now. I don't eat meat or anything like that. I do have sushi every now and then, like raw fish, basically that's it. And yeah, so on those days I will have one cooked meal, and then basically the rest is just all fruit. And my cooked meal is like, you know, lentils and certain veggies, and like a salad. That's what I'll do. And then on days like today, I'll have nothing but fruit, and like I'll have a smoothie with some like all natural protein powder in it. I don't do any sort of processed food other than like obviously the protein powder, I guess, is processed, but it's all natural. There's no like crazy things in it. It's just all natural ingredients. So we'll get more into that as we, you know, continue with this whole vlogging process, and I, you know, take y'all along my journey and everything. But just to give you a little backstory to why Zay's trying that, and bro, ever since she's been with me, she's a trooper, I ain't gonna lie. She took it upon herself. I never forced her to do anything, and she's Palestinian, so you know their cuisine is very vegetable based. They do eat meat though, you know, and they do eat dairy and all that, but they have some delicious meals. Like me, I'm Puerto Rican and Mexican, and everything that's like pork, fried foods here, like fried, everything's fried, pork, and some of the most unhealthy food that there is, honestly. Like maybe if you're on the island, obviously you have more fruits and you have more fresh food, but like here in the States, and I feel like the further away you get from like your actual culture, when it comes to like Hispanic culture, the more unhealthy people eat. So, you know, just a lot of years of unhealthy living and eating and partying and stuff just really like took a toll on my digestive system, and among other things, and you know, it really like brought me to where I'm at now. So we'll get more into that on a different vlog, because this one's gonna be pretty long if we go into all that. But I just want to give you guys a little backstory into, like, you know, why it is I eat the way that I do and live the way that I do. But yeah, that's basically it for now. This is a rare sight where I'm from. A Bentley, definitely just passing through. Oh, that's old money right there. There's an old lady in there. Yeah, there definitely isn't those type of vehicles very often in the city where I'm from, Santa Maria. If you guys know, you know. She's definitely a passer througher.